My name's Tori Tainaka. I'm the founder of Sparkhouse. We're a video production agency here in Southern California. We have an office as well as a studio where we do a lot of filming, but we also do probably about 80% of our filming on location. So we take our production vans out to the actual filming locations to do filming. We're constantly transferring gear in and out of our vans, in and out of the studio. And so when we used to have the manual door, we would leave it open quite a bit just because it was a difficult thing to open and close. We actually had a break-in here about a year ago, and it really put us on high alert knowing that there's a lot of people around checking out our location. They're constantly seeing us pulling expensive gear in and out. By having a door that opens quickly, closes quickly, it's quiet, it's easy to use, we're just seeing that our facility is a lot more secure just in general.
My name is Casey Knight, and I'm a Genie technician for over 25 years of experience. Installing this operator is very simple. Whichever application this motor calls for, whether it's standard or heavy duty, it can be mounted upright or upside down, making installation a breeze in any type of situation. Only took about 2 hours to install roughly. This motor will last a lot longer and work more efficiently throughout its life. When programming travel points, remote controls, etc., the LED screen really makes it a simple procedure.
One of the things that drew us to the Genie was the ability to add up to 50 remotes. What that allows us to do is have all of our employees, as well as some of our subcontractors that have often access to our location. They can open and close the garage as needed. We have full control over turning off certain remotes or deleting certain remotes without the need to actually recover that remote. We want to make sure that we own the full control of the garage, and that's why we like this system a lot.
Optional features such as Genie's Aladdin Connect enables users to operate the garage door from their electronic device.
So some of the things that we're able to do is give temporary access to some of our vendors, like our cleaners that come in on the weekends, some of the outside vendors like electricians that need access only maybe 1 or 2 times. It also gives me notifications when the garage is being opened or closed. So if I ever notice something while I'm out of the office unusual, I can check, see why is this garage door opening, who's opening it, and I can also check our cameras and make sure that nothing odd is happening in the facility itself. If someone were looking or in the market for a commercial garage door opener, I would definitely recommend Genie. This has been a great experience, both for an easy install, as well as just a really good user experience. It's fast, it's quiet, it's reliable.